I just bought this non-running 350Z off Facebook Marketplace for only $3,600. It didn't run whenever I first got this thing.
Throttle ain't working at all.
But with the $30 junkyard part, we fixed it. This is what the thing looked like whenever we first got it compared to what it looks like now. The thing is ready to rock and roll.
Oh, gas pedal is not working, but we're gonna load this thing up and take it back to the shop.
Am I good? What about that left? Good?
Stop. See if it'll pull up on here.
It's fine, Pep. I can crawl off the car. Pep, you're not pushing on the car. You're gonna get hurt. They did it. Did not work. Holy freaking moly. That's the new 350Z. So let me tell y'all where we're at with this purple 350Z. It was having a hard time getting started and the gas pedal was not working at all. Previously, whenever I dropped it off, it was working. It was working a little bit, not great. So yesterday we went to the junkyard. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're officially here at LKQ and we're also getting stuff for the purple 350 that we got to fix on there. I don't know, I guess we'll go tear some crap apart. Getting parts for our Honda Fit because it's missing some stuff. First thing we're grabbing, Honda Fit radio bezel. We found Drew's Honda that he's been looking for. This is our little pile. We got pretty much everything we need. I got this for my 350 and they're currently working on this, trying to get the side mirror off of this John. I got this pedal out of a G35. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but it does have that APP sensor on there. I'm gonna hook the whole pedal up. I'm gonna see if it works. It'll start and then die, but we still have the FRS here. All right, this thing literally has so much oil in it. That's a lot of oil. We got a whole new pedal from the junkyard from this G35. Oh, stays on.
Smoking?
Not bad.
We checked the voltage going to the pedal position sensor. We're getting 5 volts to it. So we're swapping it out with this junkyard part that we got yesterday. See if that makes a difference for us.
I'm gonna think I'm gonna have back problems after this.
Right now?
Oh yeah. Oh my God, it works. It works.
What?
We did it! Oh my God. Oh my God. It freaking works, bro. You're right. We just gotta swap them out. Bro, no way. No way it was that easy, bro. No way. There's no way we just fixed this thing, bro. All it was a pedal and it was like a $30 part at the junkyard. But this thing, it's not sluggish no more. It runs perfectly fine now. I cannot believe that we actually did this, dude. That is crazy. All it was a pedal. Okay, sometimes they say that this green part right here goes out. It appears to be fine. This thing actually runs pretty decent. It hasn't ran in about 5 months, but I hear a little bit of noises. I hear a lot of noise coming. I hear a lot of noise. I don't know what that is. That could not be good. Dang, dude, this thing actually, oh, almost stalled it. This thing actually sounds good, dude. All right, we're calling my grandpa because my grandpa's not gonna believe we got this thing running in a day.
Hello.
Hey, Pap.
Yeah.
You'll never believe this. Guess what?
You sold the red car.
No, I wish. I wish I sold the red car. Guess another time.
I have no clue.
We got the purple Z running great.
Really?
Yeah. All I did was just swap out the pedal.
Well, that's good.
It was like a $30 part. It runs perfect now.
What made you decide to work on that car?
Well, we went to the junkyard yesterday. I saw a G35 and I said, oh, I'm just gonna take the pedal off. I might need it. And then just replace it.
That's good. Save you a lot of money.
Yeah, instead of buying an ECU for 500 bucks.
Yeah, if you could find one for $500.
We're finally gonna put the 350Z back together today. The front end's getting redone. We're gonna put headlights in, we're gonna put this front bumper back on, and the side skirt over here, because they're all missing. It's nothing but rainy slop out here today. Hey, but at least it don't leak oil. There's no oil leaks on the ground, so I'm pretty shocked. Next one up, we're moving to FRS. Still sounds good. Woo! Holy crap, bro. I might be a pro at parking, bro. Look at how close I was to this wall. I am so good. Oh, but these would look so sick in there. Got the headlight in, now it's ratchet ass headlight. Bro, we're not even outside, why are they red bombing? Well, if you feel, there's a bracket. Is there a hole in that bracket?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, I see the hole. I'm gonna bend it. Bang, through the hole.
I got it, hold on, I got it.
All right, might have to widen that hole.
This is a practice.
This is how the 350Z looked 2 hours ago, and this is how it looks now. We replaced the bumper, the headlights, and the side skirt on the driver's side, and it's basically all done. We just got to wrap the hood in carbon fiber now. Why does it sound so bad?
Something's about to fall apart back there.
You think? I haven't checked the lug nuts on there. I'm a little petrified. It's so smooth. Neighbors. Exhaust hangs super low though. That exhaust sounds awful.
Is that the exhaust? Oh, that's good.
Let's see, can I get this perfect? Stopping it right there. Oh wait. I need to see about if it's still smoking bad. I don't know how close you get. Pretty good. I don't know, what do we think? Is that a head gasket? We're finally cleaning our cars today. They've been dirty for about like forever. We got my truck, we got Drew's black Honda, we got the RX-8, we got the FRS, and we got the purple Z that all need washing in there. It's gonna take 50 business days to get this bucket filled up. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's another day here. Wrap for the hood comes in tomorrow. There's so much noise coming from the rear end. I need to figure out what's going on around there. So we're gonna jack this thing up and see what we can find, if there's anything wrong with it down there. Already not a very good sign. She's above ground. All right, let's get this wheel off. We got our impact, we're just gonna start. All these are just extremely loose. So it looks like all it was just a loose lug nut. So we're gonna throw this wheel back on and start tying it back up. We just got our carbon fiber wrap because our Daytona blue hood needs to be wrapped on that 350Z out there. Amazon kind of screwed me. What is this, Amazon? All right, we'll wrap this thing tomorrow. Ignore my dangly mirror. Do I pop a burnout right now? How many cars? It's my lot. Holy crap. Was that sick? How was that though? Was that good? Oh wait, I might have it on the security camera.
Oh, there you go.
It seemed like the people that were parked right there were enjoying it though. Dude, that was kind of nice. I was ready to wrap.
Do you know the steps of prep that it takes to wrap your car?
I honestly am only doing this because I want to post a video tonight. We only have like 30 minutes to do this thing.
Put it right here.
Oh shit.
Is this gonna fit?
Hey, that looks pretty good. Hey. All right, now what do we do?
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go home. All right, no, seriously, what do we do, guys?
I don't want to mess you up.
Oh shit, I think I messed myself up. That looks good. That looks good.
That's pretty good.
That looks good.
All right, we failed. We couldn't do it in 30 minutes. I'm defeated.
Many hours later.
It's now 12:30 at night and we are done. It was 4:44 and now it's 12:30 that we started this thing. Rapping's not as good as they make it seem on the internet nowadays. I'm done. But that's it for the video.